northeastern Olmsted and central Volusia counties through 2:30 p.m. At 1:56 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Plainview, or 16 miles southwest of Volusia, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include winds in excess of 30 miles per hour and pea-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. The strong thunderstorm will be near Kellogg around 2:10 p.m. Wabash around 2:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the storm include Jarrett, Ring, Pioneer Campground, Zumro Bottoms Campground, Potsdam, Conception, and West Albany. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. This is no weather radio. Will impact portions of northwestern Buffalo County through 2:45 p.m. At 2:19 p.m., trained weather spotters reported a strong thunderstorm 7 miles northeast of Wabash, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include winds in excess of 40 miles per hour and nickel-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by trained spotters. Reported nickel-size hail in Wabash County. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. The strong thunderstorm will be near Moldovia around 2:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by the storm include Lock and Dam 4, Nelson, Maxville, the Big Swamp area, Highways 37 and 35, Tell, Mishimoka, Fern and County Roads F and KK. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Northern Washington and northwestern St. Croix counties through 8:15 p.m. At 7:40 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Lake Elmo, or 10 miles northeast of St. Paul. Over Lake Elmo, or 10 miles northeast of St. Paul, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour and half-inch hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. The strong thunderstorm will be near Stillwater around 7:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of the storm include Scandia. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building.
Oh my God, what?
Station WXJ88, serving West.
Oh crap! I just DX to I got an SVA. KGY 80.
Until 10 p.m. and now includes the following counties in Minnesota, Dakota, Goodhue, and Washington. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm watch number 148 for the National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dakota County, eastern Field County, western Goodhue County, and southeastern Minnesota, eastern Rice County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Faribault to 5 miles northeast of Owatonna to 8 miles northeast of Ellendale, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. affected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Northfield and Dundas around 7.
Alright. Okay.
Kenyon, Stanton, and Nurseton around 7:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Cannon Falls, Wanamingo, and Hastings.
I need to do. I'm finishing
For your
this.
protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in the Twin Cities. A strong
Holy cow.
6 p.m. Severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight line wind damage were located near Welch, or 10 miles west of Red Wing, moving northeast at 55
I tried to grab my camera, but I...
Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar indicator.
Dude, what county?
The following
I gotta look.
I can tell you, I have it open. It's for,
Goodhue County, thank you.
Or destroyed.
Because it's near Red Wing, so I assume it'd be Goodhue.
Will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Welch around 8:10 p.m. Red Wing around 8:15 p.m.
Holy cow.
Over now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant damage.
Producing
Do
tornadoes.
not wait to see or hear the tornado.
We might be able to get a
For your
tornado
protection,
dash
move
C.
to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm. The service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Pierce County until 8:45 p.m. At 8:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of tornadoes and extensive straight line wind damage were located near Welch.
The 74250 went off.
Red Wing, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour.
Oh my god, tornado warning.
This is a radar indicated flash.
KGY 80 went off, and it went off for an unrecognized message.
Without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged.
What county is it for? I didn't see it.
Damage to roofs,
It's for Pierce.
windows,
Pierce.
Vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous
Did you
storms
go off?
will
Yeah,
be
you did.
Ellsworth around 8:30 p.m.
Stupid 74200 didn't go off.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Oh my
This
goodness.
cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread.
Like an hour.
Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yo, the 74250 went off.
This is weather radio station WXJ88, serving west central Wisconsin. We broadcast from the National
which
Weather
one's still
Service
on?
Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota, on an assigned frequency of 162.40 megahertz. Transmitting from the tower facilities of WHWC Television in Wheeler. Current time is 8:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Can you shut up?
The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a
My zone guard.
northwestern Pierce County until 8:45 p.m.
Dude.
8:7.
Oh my god.